In your home screen, you'll click on Input and select the listing where you would like to host your open house. There's a little button on there for you to click on, and it brings you to the screen where you get to choose whether you want to have a public, private, or virtual open house. If it's a virtual one, you can create a link and have them join the webinar and walk them through the property from there. And then, as you can see, I set the date and the time from 2 to 4 p.m. It is active for it to upload on all the third-party sites and Realtor.ca. And usually in the information section, because it's limited for words, I just try to keep it as short and sweet as an invitation of who will be hosting. Now that everything's uploaded and you've made sure that you're good, you won't delete the listing, you'll submit to the board. You can upload multiple. That way you can plan a few weeks ahead or a couple every weekend.